Y'all, in the previous video, I made an orange dreamsicle pie. And I decided, well, let's go ahead and candy the orange peels that we were going to garnish. We ain't varnishing nothing, are we, Eddie? Except that gate out there. To garnish with. So I have peeled this orange and I'm cutting them in smaller strips like this. This is so easy and it's so good, y'all. And it just takes just a few minutes to candy these. I have 1 cup of water. So now it really depends on how much you want to candy. I've got a cup of water and a 1/2 cup of sugar. And I'm going to bring that to a bowl, making sure the sugar is melted. And I'm going to put these in there and I'm going to simmer them for about 20 minutes. You want to make sure that you don't cook these on too high a heat because it's possible that it could turn brown. All right, we need 20 minutes. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I've turned off our orange peels. And now I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring and let that sit for another 5 to 10 minutes. All right, y'all. So our orange peels have been sitting in the vanilla sugar water for about 10 or 15 minutes.
Follow-up question.
Yes.
I didn't read this recipe, so I really don't know. When do you roll them in sugar again?
We're going to let them sit. We're going to let them dry out for a second.
Okay.
And in about 15 minutes, we're going to roll them in sugar and then put them out to dry some more. All right. I let our orange peels dry out a little bit and naturally cool. So now I'm just tossing them in sugar. And we will let them, we'll lay them out and we'll let them dry again. And see how pliable they are? You can kind of just turn them any which way you want to make a pretty curly cue. Okay, I'm going to switch ends now and put them on the dry end. Okie doke. It's going to be that easy. And when you see the finished pie in the previous video, this is how we got there with our candied orange peels. It's easy. Look how pretty. See, I love things like this to garnish with. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. It is so good. And that candied orange rind is delicious. So yummy, y'all. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.